Alright, this is the coding teacher and I'm here to teach you how to code. I have to lower my voice a little bit because my son is asleep, and in this video we're going to be creating a mongoose model. This is going to be a very small and simple application, so I don't see a need to create a whole separate folder because we're just going to have one model, right? So I'm going to create it right here, and it's going to be called the employer model. And if you ever need to look up how to create a model, you can go to the mongoose documentation and you can see examples right there. And a model is essentially an object that sort of knows how to find instances of itself in the database. So think of a model as like a type of thing, right? So like an employer, a user, a chair, a table. You have all these different models, and what you can do with it through Mongoose is the model will know how to find specific instances of a user or a chair in the database and return them. And in addition, the model will know how to save specific instances of the model, so you can create a new chair or whatever and then hit chair.save and it'll save it to the database. So the model is an object that knows how to read and write to the MongoDB database. So in order to use it, you need to say const mongoose require mongoose, and then const employer schema equals mongoose dot schema, and in here we're passing a little schema object, and I have since I did this application already before, I did it in my SQL. Here's what I defined my employer table to look like. So that's what I'm going to do here. Name is going to be a string. Status, contact person. Status is also a string. Contact person is a string. Website is a string. Phone, address, and notes. Phone, address, and notes. So there's my schema, and based on this data schema, I can create the model itself. And here's the model name, and then the schema. Here we go. And once I have all of this defined in my employer.js file, I need to find a way that I can pull it from this file, right? So I need to be able to say something like this: const employer equals require, and some kind of way to require the contents of this other file, employer.js, right? So the way to do that is from the file that you want to be able to require, you have to export something. Export module.exports equals employer. And then from the other file, you can require the file name. So with a relative path like this, employer.js. Now that we have that, we should be able to, let's just say right here, log employer, and let's see what that does when we run it with node run. Npm start. Oh, good call. So we actually didn't install mongoose, so we have to say npm I save mongoose, and mongoose is kind of like the node package that makes it pretty simple and easy to manage MongoDB databases. There's more native lower level MongoDB package, but I always found it confusing, and I tried to go back to it after already knowing mongoose, and I was like, nah, this is not worth it, because mongoose is just so much easier. So there we go. There we're creating our schema. So in the next video we will talk about how to kind of connect to your local database server and be able to actually save and load instances of this employer model.